Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Marie, and today I'm taking you on a journey through two of the Netherlands' most picturesque spots, Giethoorn, also known as the Venice of the North, and zaanseschans, where history and traditional Dutch windmills come to life. Ready? Let's get started.
Welcome back everyone. Today we left from Amsterdam and we're doing a day trip. We're visiting two different places. I'm gonna butcher the names, I apologize in advance. ZAANSE and Giethoorn. I'll write them down so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, we're on a bus tour and we'll explore those two places today.
First up, we're starting in zaanseschans, an open-air museum filled with iconic windmills, wooden houses, and traditional Dutch craftsmanship. It's like traveling back in time to the 18th and 19th centuries.
If you come to the village on your own, the entrance is free at the shoe museum, so that's a good thing to know.
Traditional, all wooden shoes made by hand. They use this large knife for the outside. But this was a real tough job. It took 2 hours making a pair like that. My machines nowadays will only take 5 minutes. This machine will make the outside. It's the same system as duplicating keys. For the inside, we'll be using the same kind of system. Again, we're gonna make a copy of the mark. Half the weight is watered and they dry for weeks. And the result will be a shoe for a child all year.
These windmills are still working today. One of them makes peanut oil, paint, and sawmills. I believe 2 of them are sawmills.
Our country is indeed so flat as a pancake. That's what we say. And we live in the Netherlands below sea level. Almost 5 meters below sea level. What's gonna happen with us if we don't have the canal system in the Netherlands? We're gonna drown only from the rainwater. That's why we use these water mills to transport the rainwater away. In the Netherlands we have more than 1750 canals. And they are all connected with each other in one way or another way.
Can you taste coconut?
Oh, just at the end. I will explain you how we make a cheese here. All of the cheese here we call Gouda cheese or Gouda cheese is the same. From goat, cow and sheep. Then we heat the temperature of the milk to 29 degrees Celsius. After that, how the milk thick? We use the microbrewenet. We cut the curd to fit a small piece like this and then put in the mold to make a cheese. This is the rest of the water. This 90% we not throw away. We call this is whey. So for our company, we produce beer. Drink every day, you get more beautiful. Like me. Okay, we press this 2 hours and after that we take it out. And we get this form of the cheese like this. Then we put in the salt bath for 24 hours. After that, we coating with wax. That's why you see the yellow color. And then we dry the cheese into the gel 1 month until 3 months. We call young cheese. For the middle-aged cheese until 6 months. And the old one till 1 year.
I like it.
Next, we're heading to Giethoorn, a magical village where cars are replaced by boats and walking paths. With its tranquil canals and charming wooden bridges, Giethoorn feels like stepping into a fairy tale.
can come here, rent a boat, and cruise along the canals at your own risk, because we've seen a lot of people crash into each other. It's very entertaining. We just took a group boat tour, which was way better, safer, because you don't need a license if you do get a rental. If you rent a boat and you do end up crashing and end up in the water, just know that it's only 1 meter deep, so you'll be fine, even in the lake, because that's the depth they were digging to get the peat. So the canals and the lake were man-made because they were digging to get the peat, and they used that as a heat source. And I guess it flooded eventually after they had digged all their canals and the lake, and cars are not allowed. You need a boat or a bike or your feet. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.